guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Tanya, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys my birthday decor and just like my setup and everything that I did for my birthday party. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with my outfit. This is my outfit, super cute. I actually really loved it. It is a lavender pastel purple color, and it is from SHEIN, and it has the super cute sleeves right there. It's like a nice spring vibes color, and I love the way that it looks. It really pops. And then I just curled my hair, and I am wearing a bliss lashes with some super cute nude small heels from Forever 21, and this whole outfit was a vibe. I loved it. And then taking my pictures with these cute balloons just made it even better. Now here is my setup. So I did have a tea party theme, and it is so cute. I loved it. So I got all of these plates and cups and napkins from Party City, super inexpensive. It comes with like a set of 8, and I just kind of used a bigger plate, a smaller plate, and then this cup right here, and just kind of laid it out with like a napkin rolled in with the utensils, and put them all in each of the chairs. Then the pink table cover was from Party City as well. And then I just got these Dollar Tree vases with some Dollar Tree flowers, and I just got a bunch of different kinds of flowers. I loved just using all the colors, and I also used these super cute mason jars, and I put some teas in there so everyone can choose a tea that they like, and it just looked cute displayed. And this tea was from Marshall's. I did find it in the clearance section, and I thought it was so cute, packaged really nice. Plus it had a variety of teas, and they all tasted amazing, from fruity to herbal. Loved this. On the other side I had another table, just kind of more plain. I just decorated it with the same vases and different kinds of flowers to bring it all together, and I thought that was really cute. Another Marshall's find are the macaroons that I used for my display setup. So these were such cute macaroons that I found. Then I also have more Party City stuff. So this backdrop is from Party City for about $6. It just has a spring floral vibes, and then I put some balloons up at the top. These little stands are also from Party City. It's just like a multiple different pastel colors with like 4 different little stands, and I put strawberries on there. I thought they looked really cute for just like treats, or like I put strawberries. Displayed some strawberry, lemon, and vanilla macaroons. Then this is my cake that was made by my sister. She put chocolate covered strawberries, some macaroons from Marshall's, and then just like some flowers. I loved the way this looked, super spring colors, and I feel like it just went really well with the whole layout and the whole tea time theme. Look at this super cute strawberry with like a bunny butt. Love that. And then I also had some chocolate covered strawberries, so these were also displayed in a Party City tier. This was super inexpensive, like about $5, and it looks really nice, really cute to display treats and all of that good stuff. And then for the backdrop, like I said, I put balloons, and then I did pastel colors, and this backdrop just kind of brought it all together and made it look really cute. And I love the way they looked, and just used different kinds of colors. As well as for the other side, I did display my number 29, and I just put a lot of pastel colored balloons and used this pink table cover as a backdrop. And I also used like a green on the other side where the 29 is, and I blew up some balloons with helium to kind of just display as well, and I feel like that brought a really cute touch. Then I had this happy birthday sign just in rose gold. It's super long, so I just kind of put it right here to just kind of display. And that is pretty much my party. So I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this video and got some inspiration for like a tea time party, spring party. So subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!